All right, so hey YouTube. As you guys, if you guys been following my video for any time, you remembered my condensation headlight on the right. Well, I decided to talk to the guy who put the rotors, drilled and slotted rotors in the car for me. I decided to talk to him and ask what he think I should do, and one of the things he said was you may want to just get a new headlight. So we went online and we went looking, and just so you guys can get an understanding, one headlight unit is supposed to be about $600 to $700, and the dealership, the Ford dealership, I went to them and they wanted $595 for the headlight, and then they also wanted $134 per hour, and they said it can take around 2 hours, which had me thinking, what if they take 3 hours? You know what I'm saying? Then that's 300 and a bunch of money. That's how much it is. So this is I guess a quick opening of the headlights. Whether they're going to be 100% accurate or not, we're going to open it and find out. Ooh. So the truck came, and the white truck with the, I think it's orange and blue writing, the FedEx truck. And I was just hysterical. I don't know if that's the right word, but I was freaking out. I ran out of my room. I almost didn't have my shirt on all the way, but I was just running like I gotta let him know that I'm here. I don't want him to drive away. And wow. Holy moly. This is like Christmas for me, man. Christmas in May. I want to say July. You guys ready for this? Alright, so it has saran wrap on it. I don't know if that's to protect it, but it has some weight to it too. Whoa, okay. Wow. Wow, okay. Okay, something's falling. Oh, it's the cardboard. Wow. I definitely have to get this protected. Maybe you guys can comment below what you think I should do in terms of lightly tinting it or clear coating it. Without saying anything, I think I might just clear coat it. I'll go to Superior Tint and have them clear coat it just to protect the outside layer. But anyway, when I was vacuuming the same right headlight on the Taurus, the hood kind of comes somewhere around here, so I couldn't go too far, so I was vacuuming on the top, and somehow condensation slowly came up, and so I don't know if it ended up having a crack or leak or tear or something somewhere. This baby is gorgeous. Oh, whoa, it comes with the headlight? With the bulb? Wait, no way. Yo, it comes with the light inside of it too? Can you guys see that? Oh, here we go. No stinking way. All right. So, the heck? What's all these extra? Oh, get this over here. Oh, look, it says Depot. It has their name on it. Oh, nice. Hold on. Wait a second. Okay. This, for those of you who don't have Ford vehicles, this is the lever. Inside of this, you just put I think a Phillips screwdriver, and you turn it. And what it does is it allows your big halogen bulb to go up and down. Pretty cool. Another thing I don't see is the label Taurus right here. Let's see if I can go outside and show you guys. But this is the rubber seal that goes on the back of this. What I'm nervous about is I'm gonna get LED put into this, and as far as I know, LEDs need more space, and so this I might have to find a way to get this thing reconfigured, but that's something for us to look into later on. I'm not worried about that now. I'm gonna have this put in this coming Saturday, so stay tuned, guys. And okay, so that's one headlight. Anything else in this? Okay. Let's put it back in the box. That is really nice, man. I like it. And okay, they got this one taped too. By the way, I didn't comb my hair or anything, so please don't judge me. Thank you. And my shirt and pants don't match. I'm home. No one's here, so please don't judge me. It's my personal life. Oh. Alright, so this is obviously the passenger headlight. And what is this? Stain? And now we're going to try to look into the driver's headlight. Alright, so here we go. Driver's side light. I have no clue why I just did that. Alright. Wow. I really like this, man. Wow. And it's looking good. I think I don't see any signs of used in wear and tear, but this is the driver's side headlight. So I'll take you guys outside to the car now and show you at least the location of this little lever. I'm probably not going to turn it for you because you won't be able to see, but it will adjust this big headlight. I have clear or white LEDs in this parking light now, but I'm going to look into getting switchback. So when it's parking light or just driving, it'll be white, and then when I turn my signal or put my signal on, turn signal, it should go amber. This is the little side light, and this is the plug for it. All right, so let's go outside, take a look at it. That's not the right way. It's kind of heavy for a headlight unit. Wow. Nope. Nope, something's not right there. Okay. Yeah. Can't get it back in the box. I'm pretty sure that's not how it goes. Ooh. Oh boy. Alright. I'm just gonna call it that. Ooh, I don't want to break anything. This has to fall down. Oh, it should rest on it. Ah, okay, gotcha. Okay, folks, I'll figure that out another day. All right, let's go take a look at the headlight unit. So you guys can see the white LED turns on. Alright, so it's a little difficult to see because we're in the sun, but if I can get my finger there. Okay, see that little lever there? You put your Phillips screwdriver in there and it readjusts the headlight. And this side is the same thing. Put my finger there so I can probably get it to zoom in. No? No. Yeah, right there. There's the lever again. And that readjusts it. Forward. Really dirty engine bay. So this is like, what, a week or two later, and the condensation is still inside. And yeah. So what I'm not gonna have is I'm not gonna have that Taurus emblem or logo. It's just gonna say nothing. We're slowly turning this car into an aftermarket beast. Also, in other news, oh, my hood isn't closed, crap. Alright, let's try this again. Also, in other news, oh, well, these babies soon might end up being full chrome, like the full muffler thing chrome, not just the tip, because it's fake. It's a tip and then there's a little exhaust in there. You can see that. Fake, but it's still good. I love it. I love my Ford. Turn off. Alright, so with 10 seconds left, you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you Saturday when I will hopefully upload the video.